Imagine buying a Miami condo for $200,000 in 2019. Today, that same unit is worth $345,000. Now imagine trying to have to sell that condo right now in 2025 when it takes nearly twice as long to find a buyer as it did just a year ago. What happened to the red hot South Florida real estate market? And why are some sellers dropping their prices while others are walking away with massive profits? Today, we're diving deep into the most dramatic shift in Florida's condo market in recent history. We're going to uncover why there are suddenly 52% more condos available for sale, why cash buyers are still dominating the market, and most importantly, what this means for buyers and sellers in 2025. If you're thinking about buying or selling in South Florida, or you're just curious to learn about one of the most fascinating real estate markets in America, then you're going to want to stay until the end of the video. Let's rewind to 2021, the peak of what many are calling the Great Florida Migration. Picture this. 63,499 condos sold that year. That's not just a number. That's 174 families, investors, and dreamers getting their place in Florida every single day. But by 2024, that number has plummeted to 34,700 sales. What caused such a dramatic shift? The answer lies in a perfect storm of factors that I'm going to break down here today. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Despite sales being cut nearly in half, prices aren't following the same path. The median price in 2024 reached $345,000. That's a 72% increase from 2019. And just a quick pause, if you're finding this housing market analysis helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below. I release new videos every single week breaking down the latest updates and trends. It's free, and in this constantly changing market, staying informed can save you thousands of dollars on your next real estate move. This isn't just market resilience, it's a fundamental transformation of who's buying Florida property and why. Let's talk about something that sets Florida apart from almost every other condo market in the country: cash buyers. In 2024, an astonishing 53% of all condo purchases were made in cash. In one of the largest real estate markets in America, more than half of the buyers don't need a mortgage. Even these cash-rich buyers are becoming more cautious. They're taking their time, analyzing their options, and negotiating harder than ever before. The market's pace has shifted dramatically. In 2023, sellers typically waited 34 days to get a contract. Fast forward to 2024, and that wait has stretched to 54 days. Last year, I had buyers who were making offers sight unseen, and now we're visiting properties 2 or 3 times before making a decision. The frenzy is over, but the serious buyers are still here. And this is where the market shift becomes undeniable. In just 1 year, the number of available condos exploded from 18,956 to 28,782. A staggering 52% increase. To put this in perspective, that's like adding a small city's worth of condos to the market. The months of supply of inventory has jumped from 5.7 months to 10 months. This single metric tells us that we've moved from a seller's market to a buyer's market. And the market isn't moving as one unified force anymore. Let's break down what's actually happening. In the luxury market, only a 1.5% decline in sales, and the median time to contract was 80 days. The luxury market is showing remarkable resiliency. In the mid-market, that's pricing between $400,000 to $599,000. We saw 7,217 sales in 2024. This was the largest segment by volume. And in this segment, we're seeing moderate price adjustments. And in our entry-level market, those are the prices under $200,000. We are seeing the steepest decline in sales. And this segment is facing the most significant challenges based on low inventory, and it's heavily impacted by rising interest rates. The days of sellers naming their price and buyers scrambling to accept are over. In 2024, sellers are getting 94.3% of their asking price, down from 95.9% in 2023. This might seem like a small change, but in a market where the median price is $345,000, we're talking about thousands of dollars in negotiating room. There are several key factors driving these changes. We're noticing rising insurance costs, increasing interest rates, growing inventory levels, shifting buyer demographics, and overall economic uncertainty. One of the biggest stories shaping Florida's condo market isn't just about prices and inventory, it's about the building themselves. After the tragic Surfside collapse in 2021, the market for older condos has fundamentally changed. Florida's 40-year recertification requirement has become a major factor in buying and selling decisions, and here's what you need to know. Buildings approaching their 40-year inspection are facing intense scrutiny, and many older buildings are requiring substantial renovations. Special assessments can run into tens of thousands of dollars per unit, and some buildings are completely unfinanceable until these repairs are completed. There's a beautiful oceanfront condo in Miami Beach that's currently listed at $450,000, and it's been on the market for over 120 days. You might be asking yourself why? Well, it's because the building needs $8 million of repairs to pass recertification, and that means each unit owner is looking at a special assessment of about $50,000. But here's the fascinating part. Cash buyers are still purchasing these units, often at a discount, betting on the long-term value after the repairs are completed. If you're wondering why cash buyers are dominating the market, the insurance situation tells part of the story. Florida's condo market is facing unprecedented challenges with property insurance. Many insurance companies have left the Florida market, and premium increases of 40 to 100% are common. Some buildings can't get insurance at all, and mortgage lenders require proper insurance coverage before they close on the loan. This creates the perfect storm. Buildings that need repair can't get insurance, units that can't get insurance can't get conventional financing, and owners face rising insurance costs on top of their regular maintenance fees. Special assessments have become a major factor in the market. Many buildings need significant repairs, and costs often range anywhere from $10,000 to over $100,000 per unit. Some unit owners are forced to sell because they can't afford these assessments, and buyers, you need to factor in these costs when you are making your purchase decisions. All of this said, it's creating opportunities for cash buyers who can buy units at a discount in buildings needing work. They can hold themselves through the renovation period, and they potentially see significant appreciation after the improvements. So I'm saying all of this, and what does it mean for you? For my buyers who are watching, you're going to have more options to choose from. You'll have greater negotiation power in most circumstances, and you should feel less pressure to make quick decisions. You're going to have that opportunity to be selective. Now, it is critically important that you get all of the building's inspection history. You need to review the condo association documents carefully, understand upcoming assessment and reserves. For my sellers out there, just know that there is going to be a need for strategic pricing on your unit, and you may experience a longer selling timeline. In addition, with all the Surfside changes, there are disclosure requirements about upcoming assessments, and there should be some realistic pricing taken into account depending on your building status. For my investors out there, there's definitely going to be more opportunities for negotiation, especially if you're coming in paying all cash, and there is potential for long-term appreciation. Focus on some properties where you can do value add. While we're still seeing a significant shift, it's crucial to understand that this isn't a market collapse, it's a recalibration. Florida's fundamental attraction remains strong. We have a continuous population growth, strong job market, tax advantages, year-round sunshine, and the international appeal. Whether you're looking to buy or sell in this market, here are some points to remember. Timing expectations need to be realistic. Pricing strategy is more crucial than ever. Negotiation skills matter again, and market research is essential. South Florida condo market of 2024 is teaching us an important lesson about risk and reward. While some buildings struggle with aging infrastructure and insurance challenges, others are thriving with strong financials and modern amenities. Understanding these dynamics isn't just about market knowledge, it's about making a safe, informed investment decision. If you're still watching, you're probably thinking about buying or selling here in Miami, and I'd love to help you take that next step. I'm a real estate advisor with Compass, the #1 brokerage in Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach, and I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. My team and I are here to help you navigate this complex market. All you have to do is email me or click in the show description below to schedule a free 15-minute discovery call. Let's turn this market knowledge into your next successful real estate move. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.